Hi everybody, it's Juliet here, and today we're going to be opening the Potomac Beads treasure box for January. Now, this box is a subscription box, so it comes every month. Potomac actually have two versions of subscription boxes. This is the treasure box, so it's just a collection of beads curated, and they all kind of go together. And then you can also get another box, which is the kit box. So you get 3 kits and the materials to make them and the instructions for to make 3 projects. But this is just the treasure box, which is a collection of beads. So let's open it up and see what we have for January. Oh my goodness, you guys are so excited! The Roaring 2020s. I'm guessing it's going to be like the 1920s as well, but I love it. Okay, embark on a journey back in time to the lavishness and sophistication of the 1920s with our exquisite Roaring 2020s treasure box. Immerse yourself in an era of classic black and white aesthetics and a subtle yet unmistakable touch of glitz and glamour. Open a box that transcends time, bringing the elegance and indulgence of the Jazz Age, Prohibition, and flappers to your present-day doorstep. I am so excited, you guys. I love it. Okay, and this is everything that we get in the box. So let's take a quick peeky at it. Oh, I'm in love. Okay. Looks like a lot of black, white, and sort of silvers and golds. Okay, I'm going to take everything out and then we'll take a proper look. Okay, as always, it is so many beads that I can barely fit it all on my bead mat. I mean, I just love these boxes. They are so good, and you get so many beads. Okay, so let's start over here. So we get these storage jars, which, I mean, who doesn't need that, right? So they all just screw together, I believe. Yeah, so they're just a stacking little set of storage jars, so that's fun. And we get some dragon thread in crystal, size 6. Again, this is good. This is a good alternative for Fireline or any kind of thread like that. So it's the strongest beading thread on the market, according to the label, which I believe it is made out of however it's made, the chemical composition of it is incredibly strong. And then we're going to get some 11/0 seed beads, silver lined light something. Very pretty. It's almost got a slight blue tint to it. I'm gonna have to try and figure out, well, you can go on the website and put in the item number and then it'll tell you the name of it. So that's fun. I love that. I always use Miyuki myself, so that's helpful. And then these are, trying to find, labradorite pebble beads, I believe. Very pretty. You can see the kind of shine in them. Yeah, labradorite pebble beads is what these are. And so you get some of those, really nice. And then you get these fun beads. Trying to figure out what these are on the list. I don't know, but I love them. These are really cool with the metallic spots. I love it. So fun. Okay, and then here we have some little kind of half moon shaped beads. These are like what they called the angel wings in last month. Oh, check angel wings. That's what these are called. So we had just clear ones last month, but these have the labradorite silver on one side, excuse me. I'm still a bit croaky, guys. Okay, then we have some check rounds, 8mm, a collection which is black and clear. And then we have some check faceted flat rondelles, and I love the finish on these. It's I don't know, kind of a gunmetal. There's like black with a gunmetal accent, I guess is the best way I can describe it. I really love these. These are really pretty. Oh, wait a minute. These are the 8mm rounds, maybe. Yeah, these are the rounds. These are, I guess, Oh, check faceted rounds, 6mm. I think those are. These are the check rounds, 8mm. Sorry, it's a little confusing. Okay, so these are really cool. They're black and they have like an AB finish on them. They all have a finish somewhere on them, but it's in a different spot on each bead. So that is really cool. I love these as well. Okay, these are called Gumdrop Beads, and it's kind of obvious why, because they are shaped like a gumdrop. The bead is through the bottom, so they're kind of like a spiky looking bead, which is really fun. Without the sharp spike, they're more of a rounded spike. And then here we have these CHK Glass. They're like little playing cards, little aces. Ace of spades. So those are really cute. I love them. We get some pie duos in this really pretty bluish greenish colorway. So these are 2 hole beads. Oh yeah, so I don't know if you can see that. The hole goes through from the point down to here. So they go like that way, up and down, 2 holes going through. So those are the pie duos. I didn't take these out of the bag because I didn't think it was really necessary. These are some stainless steel earring post pads. Always useful to have those. Non-allergenic stainless steel. And then this is a gunmetal clasp and hook. Then we got some black ladybird beads. You can see they have little spots on them like a little ladybug. So that's really cute. Here we have some druzy beads, which I love the color of these, the kind of green blue of them. So some druzy, they look like 6mm to me. Gemstones. Yeah, gemstone round 6mm, that's what those are. And then we get 4 carrier beads in the white, which are fun to bead over. If you haven't seen them, you can peyote around them or just decorate them with other beads on top. And then they have 2 holes for stringing through the side there. Hopefully you can see that. So these are carrier beads. So we got 4 of those in white. And then we get 2 of these fun Pebble Beads, I believe these are called. Hang on, I'm just looking at CHK Organic Disc Beads. And these are marbled gray. So isn't that fun? I love this. These are really cool. And you get 2 of them, which would make a great accent on each side of a necklace if you kind of beaded like a centerpiece and then had that one of those on either side. That would be really nice. Then we get some briolettes, crystal briolettes, and they are a kind of grayish color. Very, very pretty, classy color. I like those a lot. And then we have these crackled triangle beads, which are really cool. So you can see the hole going through the top that way. So you can string them on like that, which the triangle is very like 1920s Art Deco shape. So that's kind of fun. And I like these, the crackle and the blue. It's very pretty. That with these is pretty. I like that combination. Excuse me. And then last but not least, we got another huge bag of the CHK Glass mix, and you guys know how I love my CHK Glass mixes. So we've got a few different of the dagger beads in here, it looks like. We've got, oh, there's another one. We've got some leaves. This is called City Lights, I believe, this mix. And then we've got these little, oh, these are 2-hole kind of diamonds. Looks like the holes go through at a diagonal, so that's interesting. I've not seen those before. We get some big gigantic fire polish beads here as well. Oh, I just love digging through these. Oh, it looks like we've got some Zoli duos in here. I think that's what that shape is called. That's fun. The little curvy beads. So we've got some little 4mm. Actually, no, those are 3mm CHK rounds as well. All kinds of stuff in here. Looks like oh, that's another Zoli duo. What's this? That is also a little CHK Glass flower here. Couple flowers. So you get a whole ton of different just CHK Glass shapes in these bags, and I just think they are so much fun to dig through. So yeah, I'm completely in love with this colorway and these beads. They once again have just knocked it out of the park with this. I can't believe how I love every box so much. So if you're interested in subscribing, I'll put the link down below for you to find out more information and look at the pricing for both the 2 different boxes and decide if you want to, you know, subscribe. And I will be making a project using all these items, and hopefully I will be posting a video for that later in the month. So if you have this box, you'll be able to make the project. And if you don't, you can go to the Potomac Beads website and order whatever you're missing. So, okay guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget our bead along is coming up starting on the 18th of January. It's going to be 11 days. So the first day we won't be beading, we'll just be planning and picking our beads and deciding what we want to make, and I'll show you all the different parts to it. And then days 2 through 10, you'll learn either a little stitch or a motif. So this is kind of more of a sampler than a set project. And then on the last day, we will just sew everything together and we will share our projects. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So I can't wait to see you in that. And in the meantime, I am going to make some stuff using these cool beads from Potomac Beads. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.